I'm here out on one of my river walks with my Blue Bay Shepherd Kurgan and my German Shepherd Lobo, who's back over there. Oh, thank you. It's probably about 6:45 in the morning, middle of a snowstorm. Gotten probably 5 to 6 inches right now. I have another couple more still coming. It's about 15 degrees or so currently. We've got the whole area to ourselves. That goes down into the valley there. We were hiking down there for the first 3 clips I shot today. This is my 4th and final clip. Up. My mustache is full of ice. The winds of Thor are blowing cold. Good boys. What are you smelling on the trail there, Bo? Go on. Boy, now that we're up out of the valley, we're really getting nailed with it. They say we're supposed to get 8 inches today, but I don't know, it's looking to me like it could be more. Come on. Go on. Hey, it's a lot easier to walk when you guys aren't underneath my feet. Like I said, I'm not sure how enjoyable these videos are going to be to watch with all the snow falling. Kind of messes with the focus a little bit. What's up, buddy? Oh, their favorite rock to pee on. There they go. Pardon me if I'm breathing a little heavy. I'm a little winded. We've been making a long, steady climb up out of the valley, and now we're walking through some kind of deep snow up on a high ridge. Hey, don't go sliding off there. It's a far drop. We're harking along the edge of a ravine. It's not a straight drop, but it goes down quite a ways, and you smack into quite a few trees on your way down. Probably been down here for probably an hour or so, maybe a little more walking around in this stuff. We're working our way back to the car right now. Head home, hot cup of coffee, which should taste pretty good right about now. Stick around, Lobo. We're not going to take the trail down. We're going to head up by the car. Stick around. Bo, you heard me. No. Lobo. No. See, we could be taking a trail that runs down into the valley there, and I want them to stay by me so they take the right one up and out. Well, we just made our climb through the fence out of the Utengard and into the Innengard. That's all for our walk. I hope you guys enjoyed it. That's all, folks. Like, subscribe, and share. Hit the notification button if you liked it a lot. Bye.